Alright, in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how I got this Ender 3 Pro for only 50 bucks. Still too good to be true. Just wait and find out. And it is true. I got this for only $50. The only difference is I thought it was going to be just a regular Ender 3. Not the Pro. Nothing like that. I didn't even know it had the magnetic bit. So I was under the assumption it was a regular Ender 3. Needless to say, it was the Pro. Not too much difference between the two for only $50. It also came with a PLA spool, a blue PLA. So where do you guys think I could find a deal like this at to get a spool and a printer for 50 bucks? Facebook Marketplace. Keep an eye on Facebook Marketplace. Check your local areas because people buy these things and don't have time to mess with them or upgrade and end up selling them. So definitely keep an eye on it. Ended up getting this for only $50 because the guy bought it. He did not have the free time to be able to mess with it, so he just wanted to get rid of it. He did a couple test prints and pretty much that's about it. I do know a couple things when you're looking for one of these, how you can tell whether it was used or whether it was fairly new, or how you can tell if a pro person bought it or if it was from just somebody that ordered it and ended up not wanting to mess with it. First things first, the tube. The tube is blue. On normal people that have been printing, they changed it to the blue one. I have the blue one on my S8 Plus. Just upgraded it. Probably one of the first things I upgraded. Stay tuned for that video. I'll tell you guys all the other pieces that I upgraded so far. This one was brand new. No wear and tear on it, but I will be switching it to the blue one. Also, there is no different modifications that was printed for it. A lot of people with Ender 3s, there's limited amount of things you can print out for it, as far as drawers, tool holders, and stuff like that. This hasn't had nothing done to it. That's how I know it was still fairly new. Also, on these fittings right here, it doesn't even have the little blue piece of plastic that prevents it from coming undone. Another reason I know that it was barely messed with is all the tools and parts are still in the bag, barely used. Of course, the wrenches, because on this model you have to put it together. On my S8 Plus, it was mostly put together. I just had to put the top frame on and that was it. This one has a little bit more detail, but as you can tell, everything's still in the bag like it should be. And minimum wear on the bed. I noticed there's minimum wear on the bed, so could I haven't used that much. Not to say that if somebody's putting it on there just because they upgrade their systems, those wouldn't be good deals too. But just keep in mind, you want to check the rollers and want to check the feeders and stuff like that, because you definitely won't want to get a 3D printer, especially if you're new and have to dump money in replacement parts. So, but other than that, that's how I got this for 50 bucks. Facebook Marketplace. Of course, you guys can try other things like Mercari or eBay and look for somebody selling a pre-owned version. Just check out their pictures and see if it was beat or barely used. I'm definitely happy with this one. Now I have two printers. Planning on getting a third one, and definitely like 3D printing. So stay tuned to my video if you guys want to see future videos on what I do to it, what I change. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see any of that stuff. It was definitely a good deal. It turns on, operates, bearings are barely used. So for $50 for a printer that I thought was going to be a $180 model, which is still a good deal, it ended up being the 240 model, 210 model, so it was a little over $200 for the Pro, and I only got that including with the filament for 50 bucks total. Definitely a good deal. If you guys like more content like this, definitely remember to leave a comment below. Please consider subscribing. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Till the next video.